In this video, we're going to go over how to map program learning outcomes to student learning outcomes. So we're going from the program to the course. When you first log into Nuventive, make sure that you select either from the center pull-down menu the program that you wish to work in. Once you're in the program, use the hamburger menu on the left and select Program Assessment. Under the Program Assessment tab, select the subtopic PLO to SLO mapping. On this page, we're going to be using the PLOs to map to course SLOs. To begin with, you're going to look at over here on the pull-down menu, the only thing you can map to or map with is the program learning outcomes. In this particular case, there are 3 program learning outcomes for this program, History AAAAT. In order to map to the courses, the first thing you need to do is go over here to the right to the pull-down menu and select the course that you want to map to. You should see all the courses that could be used by a student who wants to get this particular degree. So in this case, I'm just going to select History 100. And so now I can see all the SLOs for the course History 100. This is why it's really important that your SLOs have a descriptive name, something short but clear. In this case, there are 5 SLOs for this course History 100. And I need to map the PLOs to this course SLOs. So in this case, the first PLO is historical knowledge. And so I've selected, in this case, historical significance, and I've selected outcome number 5, historical knowledge. And then the second PLO is primary sources. So I'm going to select the student learning outcome regarding primary source evidence. And the third PLO is historical analysis and argument. And I'm going to select historical significance, continuity and change, and cause and effect as the course SLOs that I want to map these PLOs to. Once I've selected the SLOs for the course that I want to map to, then I can come over here on the right and I can select Save. And so now my mapping for each one of these PLOs is completed. If I want to map to another course, then I could go down and I could select, I'll just say History 105, and I could do something very similar if I wanted to map to that, and then I could select Save. So it's pretty simple. You're just going to find the course that you wish to map to over here on the right, and then map your program learning outcomes to those course level outcomes. That's it. Thank you.